Welcome everyone. Today we are taking you on a fantastic family adventure from Kuala Lumpur to the Chamang waterfall in Bentong. Get ready for an unforgettable day with breathtaking scenery and lots of family fun. Our journey starts in Kuala Lumpur and it will take us approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes to reach our destination. So, we have stocked up on essentials for the day ahead. We grabbed some delicious local nasi lemak from McDonald's as there aren't many food options near to the waterfall. And of course, we have got plenty of juice and water to keep us hydrated throughout the day. And remember, mosquito repellent is a must, especially if you plan to spend time in the lush surroundings of Chamang waterfall. Safety first. We have also packed a first aid kit just in case, since we are traveling with our kids. It's always a good idea to be prepared when you are out in nature. And also, we have bring our swimming suits ready to take a dip in the crystal clear waters of the waterfall. As we have seen a lot of YouTube videos and Google search, we definitely planned for swim there today. The water flow can be pretty strong, so be cautious.
You've arrived at your destination.
And we have made it. Chamang waterfall is a hidden gem, surrounded by lush greenery. It's a great spot for a picnic, as I will show you some of the spots in our later videos. Families of all ages come here to enjoy. Especially I can see lot of families comes with young children. Some comes with the toddlers, even the infant. There is so much to do here. The kids are having a blast making sand castles and taking refreshing plunges into the cool waters. It's really chill. I just love to be there. It's really, really fantastic. It's a real playground for nature lovers. For those who want to extend their stay, there are camping spots available. Imagine falling asleep to the soothing sounds of the waterfalls. We also saw a lot of cozy spot for a picnic. The sound of a waterfall in the background makes this lunch even more enjoyable. And look at this, more families arriving with toddlers in tow. Chamang Waterfall truly has something for everyone. So, if you are looking for a perfect family day out, Chamang Waterfall in Bentang is the place to be. Just remember to pack some local delights, your swimming gears, and an adventurous spirit. Enjoy the beauty of nature. Make wonderful memories and have a blast with your loved ones. Until next time, happy exploring. Cheers!